hairdresser for over 20 years. Every consumer that sat in my chair struggles with blow drying. Everyone struggles with getting their hair to look like a hairdresser can get it. As a hairdresser, I wanted a hairdresser to be proud to pick this up and use it and get the best, most beautiful blowouts. And if you're somebody who's using it at home, you can recreate the look that the hairstylist did for you. My favorite thing about my new brushes is I've never seen them before. They're really new. The technology is something that doesn't exist on the market right now. I'm proud of the whole line, but when I look at the hero in the line, it's really that cushion brush. The fiberine technology on the outside is something you've never seen in a brush before. What is going to be the one brush that you cannot live without? And I have a feeling this is going to be the one. Let's face it, the world's full of products. So why another product? Why another brush? So I wanted to make sure that this brush was so unique and did something so different than any other brush that everybody must have it. No matter who's using this brush, I want them to have fun. I want them to really enjoy using it, and I want them to feel beautiful. That's it.